Good morning, y'all. Welcome to day 4 of week 1. We are going to be reviewing short E, both patterns for short E, and also ED at the end of a word today for our reading lesson. I have broken these videos up into a little bit smaller chunks because I'm having to record them at home, and the internet's not as great at my house as it is at school. So there'll be a couple of videos for you to watch, but they're much shorter than normal. So let's go ahead and look at our learning targets. We are going to identify letters. We are going to read and spell words with short A, short I, short O, short E, and blends. I need to change that. And blends. And when we do blends, we're going to do our L blends, our R blends, and our S blends. So we're going to be talking about all of the things we have learned so far this year. We are going to read high frequency words fluently, and our focus is still on short E. So make sure you have your materials ready. If you need to pause the video and go grab your materials, your whiteboard and your marker, paper and pencil, do that. Now we got our materials. We are ready to go. So we're going to start off by doing our sound cards. Let's see if I can make myself bigger so you can see. Sorry, it's put me. There we go. All right, sound cards. What's the sound? Fur. Qua. Ah. Full. Yeah. Bull. Brr. Pull. Grr. Gull. B. Dur. G. Coal. Ah. Tur. I. Cur. St. Sk. Sp. Sl. Sn. Sw. D. E. That's our sound this week. E. Another way to make the S sound. And this one has 3 sounds. What are they? They're D, T, id. Hopefully you got all 3 of them. Got them? Good. All right, now let's do some phoneme isolation. So I'm going to give you a word and ask you to listen for the middle sound. Okay, the middle sound. All right, the first word is met. What's the middle sound in met? If you said you were right because it's t. That middle sound is All right, let's do another one. Bad. What's the middle sound? Is correct. B, d. Our middle sound is You got it. Next word, him. What's the middle sound in him? If you said you are right. I is my middle sound. Let's do one more. Top. What's the middle sound in top? If you said you were right. T, is the middle sound. All right, let's do some sound spelling. So I'm going to give you a sound. I want you to write it. We're going to move through these quickly, so you got to be listening and writing, okay? First sound, Write the letter that makes the sound. Next sound, I. Write the letter that makes the I sound. Next sound, ah. Write the letter that makes the ah sound. Ah. Next sound, gul. Write the two letters you need to make the gul sound. Next one, tur. Write the two letters you need to make tur, like trick or treat. Next sound, dr, like drip, dr. Write the two letters you need to make dr. Next sound, fur, like friend. Write the two letters you need to make fur. Next sound, sw, sw, like swim. Write the two letters you need to make sw. Next sound, sk, sk, like skunk. Write the two letters you need to make sk. And the last sound is eh, eh. There are two ways to make the eh sound. I want you to write both of them. Eh. Got them? All right, let's check them. I'm going to have to move myself over. Here we go. So you should have A, I, O, ah, gul, tr, tur, dr, dur. Make sure that D's going the right way. Fr, fur, SW, swul, SK, sk. And then for the sound, you should have E and EA. Make sure you have both of those patterns. Okay, if you missed some of those sounds, you need to go back and practice them and fix them, then do that. All right, so I'm going to pause this video. In your next video, we're going to pick up with some review words. I'll see you in just a minute.